Today, we're diving deep into the symptoms of a bad fuel pump and how you can diagnose the problem before it leaves you stranded. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly understand what a fuel pump does. The fuel pump is the heart of your vehicle's fuel delivery system. Its job is to pull gasoline from the tank and send it to the engine at the right pressure. If it starts failing, your engine won't get the fuel it needs to perform properly. Symptom number 1. Difficulty starting your car. The first telltale sign is trouble starting your car. A failing fuel pump can't consistently deliver the fuel your engine needs to ignite. You might hear the engine cranking, but not catching. If this happens more often than not, it's time to take a closer look. This is because the pump struggles to maintain proper pressure, leaving your engine starved for fuel. Symptom number 2. Stalling while driving. Another major symptom is stalling. Imagine you're driving, and suddenly your engine cuts out. Super frustrating, right? This can happen when the fuel pump fails to deliver a steady stream of fuel while the car is running. If this happens frequently, especially at low speeds or when idling, a faulty fuel pump could be the culprit. Symptom number 3. Loss of power during acceleration. You press the gas pedal expecting a burst of power, but instead, your car feels sluggish, as if it's struggling to keep up. This is another sign of a bad fuel pump. Without enough fuel pressure, your engine can't generate the power needed for acceleration. Pay close attention if this happens while climbing a hill or merging onto the highway. These are moments when your engine demands more fuel. Symptom number 4. Noisy fuel pump. Here's one you can catch with your ears: a whining or humming noise coming from your fuel tank. A healthy fuel pump is relatively quiet, but a bad pump often makes noise as it struggles to operate. If you notice this sound, don't ignore it. It's a clear warning sign. Symptom number 5. Decreased fuel efficiency. Have you noticed you're stopping at the gas station more often? A failing fuel pump can mess with fuel delivery, causing your engine to burn more fuel than usual. This symptom can sneak up on you, but paired with other signs, it could confirm a bad fuel pump. Symptom number 6. Car won't start at all. Finally, the most obvious symptom. Your car won't start at all. If the fuel pump completely fails, your engine won't get any fuel, and you're stuck with a vehicle that won't budge. If you've already checked your battery and starter, a dead fuel pump is likely the cause. So, what should you do if you notice these symptoms? First, don't ignore them. Continuing to drive with a bad fuel pump can lead to more severe engine damage. If you're handy with tools, you can test the fuel pressure with a gauge. Otherwise, take your car to a trusted mechanic for a diagnosis. That's it for today's video on the symptoms of a bad fuel pump. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. As always, stay safe on the road.